Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Heloideo 15,000 mAh power bank. What's really cool about this power bank is that it comes with its very own built-in AC outlet plug and charging cable. This external battery comes in Lightning, microUSB, and USB Type-C versions. It also comes in either a matte black or shiny blue color. The one I have here is the USB Type-C version in the shiny blue color. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. Inside the box, you get a thank you card, an instruction manual, a carrying pouch, and the power bank itself. The carrying pouch is a great accessory to have with the power bank, especially if you have the shiny blue color, so I'm glad they included one. The outside of the pouch is a velvety material and the inside is some sort of cloth material. It will definitely protect your power bank against things like fingerprints and dust, but I'm not sure how the velvet material on the outside will hold up in the long term. Anyways, I really like the shiny blue color. It does attract a lot of fingerprints, so if you don't want to wipe your power bank to keep it clean, I'd go for the matte black version. On the front, you have a small Heloideo branding towards the bottom. Below the logo, you have the power button and the 4 indicator lights. It's not the most accurate way to tell how much battery you have because of the 25% increments, but it's good enough for a power bank. On the bottom, you have a single USB output and the micro USB input for charging. They don't include a micro USB cable for you to charge your power bank, but you can just use the built-in AC plug that's located on the back. I really love this feature and I wish more power banks had their own built-in AC plugs. The only downside to them is that they're a little bit difficult to get out. You have to use one finger to pry out the prongs a little and then another finger to take the prongs out completely. However, the AC plug is very smooth when folding in and out, and it's very sturdy and doesn't wiggle at all. Towards the left side of the power bank, you have the built-in charging cable. It's a flat cable and it fits in flush with the power bank when not in use. The charging cable does support fast charging, which is amazing. The USB output on the bottom does not. However, the USB port will still charge your devices fairly quickly. I really like this power bank because you don't have to carry around extra cables with it. You basically use the built-in charging cable to charge your phone or other device, and you use the built-in AC plug to charge the power bank itself. You can also charge this power bank on outlets with 240 volts, which means that you can travel all around the world with this power bank. And just in case, this power bank comes with technology that protects against things like overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. Overall, the Heloideo 15,000 mAh power bank is an amazing power bank in my opinion because it eliminates the need to carry extra charging cables. All you need is the power bank and you're ready to charge your phone and even recharge the power bank itself. It comes in Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C versions, which means that you can charge almost any modern phone that's out these days. I highly recommend getting this power bank regardless if you're going to use it for work, your daily commute, or travel. That was my video review of the Heloideo 15,000 mAh power bank. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!